We are living in a time where the wounds of the human heart are physically reflected in the state of our environment. In order to heal the world, we must first allow a healing to blossom within ourselves. If we care for this lush garden of consciousness, then those around you will begin to feel it, and in time will begin to shift as well. We are being called to restore Eden, embarking on a mission to help connect people with the planet and to each other through beauty. What we are doing will require a shift in consciousness, helping people to first restore their own inner Eden and then begin the work to restore it within the world. My name is Monica Michelle, and I created BloomTV with this vision in mind. To me, one of the simplest and most well-known forms of beauty is found within flowers. I call it the gateway to beauty. Not just external beauty, but the kind of beauty that when shared with others, transforms your soul and reconnects you to nature's wisdom and healing. We have built the world's first flower-focused streaming network, bringing the public educational and entertaining shows that highlight the magic of flowers. Learn how to heal through flowers, cook with flowers, design your living space to reflect nature, make crafts using florals, sustainably garden, and so much more. We are your network for all things floral. Join us at BloomTV as we help bring beauty to the lives of people and the planet through nature's most beautiful creation, the flower.